Hello, I will show you how you can connect Payoneer Bank into your like Amazon affiliate program, and I will show you how you can start getting the payments. Okay, so first you want to search for Amazon Associate. I'm going to do that right now. Associate here, and you want to click on Amazon.com Associate. It's going to take you to this page. Now you want to click on Trade Alliance in the top right, and you want to click on account, and now you want to click on account settings, and you want to click on change payment method. Okay, so after you are on this page, you want to go to your Payoneer. I'm going to do that right now. When you are on your Payoneer, you want to click on get paid here in the left, and then you want to click on the receivings accounts. After that, you want to select this one, which is based in USA, and you want to scroll a little bit, and then you want to go back to Amazon Associates, and you want to click on plus bank, and then click on add the new bank. Now here you want to add the bank location, which is the United States by default, and the bank currency is US dollars, and the account holder name, you will find all this information here. The account number here, holder name, yeah, the account holder name is this, and the account type is it's checking, as you can see here. Account type here is checking, and the confirm account number, just add here again the account number. Now the routing number is this, and the bank name is this, Citibank. And after that, you want to click on save changes. Now you have added the bank successfully. Now you just need to keep now on getting commissions, start promoting the products, and then every 3 months to 2 months they will pay you automatically, so you don't have to do this manually again. You will just get paid automatically, and then you will receive the payment inside your Payoneer account. Okay, if you have any questions, I try to reply to every single comment, so just let me know in the comments what is your question, and I will try to reply to you. And hopefully this tutorial helped you, and see you in the next tutorial.